Hey, after the video, check out my sponsors. Dizana, Die Paintball, Ninja, 187PB, and Patchwork. Hey, we're back, and here is where you're going to learn what a lovable smartass my son Declan is. You're going to find out just how much downtime there is in scenario games. If you've never played in one, you'll find out this is why they're so much fun and how you can make great new friends. Let's enjoy this.
Yeah, me too. I took layers off. I was dying.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Right. I think it's gonna go to town. I'm going around. Don't come over here. Hey, she's that guy walking behind the tank.
Stupid tank.
Oh, really? I was on the other side of the berm, man. On the other side of the road.
Yeah, right in the trees.
Hey, anybody see that guy walking behind the tank? I want to long ball his ass. Yeah, that's the ref. On second thought, I said the same thing. See, I was looking at him, I was like, he was calling people. I was like, that can't be the ref, he's calling people. I said the same thing, yeah.
Oh, we got a mover on the berm.
Yeah.
On the hill.
Alright, so what are we going to do, guys? Are we punching up through the bus room? What the hell are we going to do? Looks like Declan's going up. Alright, well. Declan, watch your left hip now!
Watch that tank!
Declan, watch your left hip!
Adrian.
He's good.
Let's go that way.
Uh-huh.
Let's go that way.
The tank's on that.
Here. Let's go that way.
Hey, backside of the green! Backside of the green box! Backside of the green box! Wall rocket! Backside of the green box! Backside of the green box! Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Backside of the green box!
We have the wall. We need a ref.
Backside of the green box! What do you want to do, Cap? Hey, I'm going to take the spindle here. Cap, can you give me the spindle real quick? Cover! Cover! Declan!
We're clear from the tank.
You want to get out that way and shoot it on me now.
Okay.
So you feel like... Declan, talk to me! What's going on in the green box, Dalton? Dalton!
Watch it, Dave. They're right to your left.
Hey, if I peek out this way, they got to lay on me.
No, you can peek it. You can peek it. Be careful.
Are you talking to me?
Oh, Declan. You're talking to me.
Straighten those pines. That's where they are.
Can I come up there and play the right side? Dalton! Dalton, take this!
Allie, come on, man.
Do we have the bus?
You better not shoot me.
Do we have the bus? So Laura, your shot is over here and on us.
They're on the berm on the other side of the road.
Okay. Who's got the bus? Who's got the bus?
Nobody. Unoccupied.
Hey, Dalton! That's actually one of the playing tough lines.
You know the main pallet?
You can do that, right? Edit that thing in. That way, it drops the bomb. She's right here. Edit that part out, though. Shoot her.
Order 12.
Ashley? Look it.
Okay, I'm about to do something stupid.
Almost shot a ref. Man, I keep coming close to shooting rough. Don't talk to me. Here I go.
They're inside the spindle on my lane.
About 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
And?
Dalton, am I safe to come up over here at all?
I have no fucking clue.
I really need you to talk to me. What's going on my right?
You said it close, right? No, Mark, move! Move!
That bus is gone! I got him!
Alright, for those of you watching this video who are not familiar with OTP Field, I'm now facing my team. My back is to the opponents, and I'm able to shoot out to that window there and that door on that bus. On that bus to the right there that I'm looking at is their forward position, and they're playing off the back of that bus, shooting forward, and I'm going to occasionally get a player that's playing off that bus. I'm also occasionally shooting out this window to the left there and shooting players behind me that are trying to move up.
Hey, you're out! You are out! I hate you! You're out! Hey, he stayed after I hit him the first time. I know.
He may have stayed because he thought he was shot by friendly fire. That happens. Situation like this, and it happens quite often to me, I'm in such a forward position that I get no communication from my teammates, and I could really use it at a time like this because there are players who are trying to bump up on me and eventually try to trade out, and that will happen. You'll see. One final note, I am switching hands when I can. I'm also trying to stay dominant hand when I can.
And you are too! It was a trade! What, are you proud of yourself? That's cool. I was like, and you are too. He's like, you fucking moron. What's that all about?
You gotta walk out, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna walk with you because this thing, it keeps dropping.
It's dropping, yeah.
Is it dying?
It might be battery issue, it might be.
Yeah. Because it'll run for about
45 fucking seconds, and then
Yeah, I don't know what the problem is, but we'll figure it
and
out.
it's unfortunate because I had a couple of good fucking action.
When it does that, you just hold it up with your hand.
Well, but it had already dropped. I didn't know if it drops like that.
In the next sequence, Dalton, Declan, and I will regroup, push
hold it
across
by
the
hand and
road,
try to get the shot.
and
Well, I'm saying, yeah.
And
well,
then
if you're not
stop
already
when
subbed,
the
please
action-
sub
yeah.
and feel free to leave a comment.
Yeah, you
See you
wanna
in the
keep
next
it
sequence.
Video and it drops. You want me to just go ahead and pick it up?
Yeah,
and
exactly.
resume
Finish
and then finish it out.
Finish
Okay.
the action as best you can, and then you got it.
It's too much for any man.